Welcome back, guys. What?
Hey! Whew.
Are you?
I need to take a bathroom break. Just stay here for a minute.
Okay.
What? Did you ask what that panel's for? Oh yeah,
No,
don't
but
worry
yeah, what
about
is it
that
for?
panel. Just stay here. I'll be right back. And don't touch anything.
If you tell me not to touch something, that's just gonna make me want to touch it. Well, there's just one big red ominous button. Look at my hands. Like you can tell it's a very important button. You can tell I gotta touch it. Is this an arrow? I don't touch that. Oh. There's something up here. There's bound to be something up here. Come on. Finger. Touch. Something up here. Finger. Touchy, 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 touch. Touchy, touchy, touchy. Touchy, touchy, touchy. Okay, I've been. Oh. No! What? My arrows! How could you? What's this? Button, fix it. Fix it, button. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. If I'm fine, then like this is fine. This is fine. Yeah. Oh! I love mushrooms. It's just a mushroom. It's just a mushroom. It's not even that serious. But regarding that, yeah, I'm gonna do that. It was over here. Come on. We're gonna not touch that. We're gonna not touch that. Button, button, button. Button. Come on, where's the little button at? Please. I'm like all the way down. Oh. Okay. God, just. Where's this button at? I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. Button. Button. Oh! I did it! I did it! Okay, now what's this? Oh, I know these things. Okay, yeah, I can do it. I can do this. I did it! Yeah, what'd I get? Come on! Come on, what'd I get? Oh. Huh. Everything's still like shaking around. Oh. Are we good? I must be like under the city. Jesus, stop! Is it the ceiling shrinking in? But yeah, I had to be like under the city because like look, we're like over here. Then we're just like really deep under. Oh, we destroyed the world! Oh look! Oh my god, there's so many endings in this game. Oh, there's a whole lot of endings. Well, oh, this must be all the endings. That's cool. No. What if I just do that? Nothing, okay. Wait, no, we know what those two things do. We have some Roman numerals, yeah? Beep, boop, beep, boop. Okay. Come on, button, give me something. Give me something. Ooh, give me something. Come on. Ooh. Okay, one more thing. Hello? Guess that... I pressed the button too much. Dummy! I'm not a dummy! What are you on about? Okay. I guess there's only a certain amount of times you can press the button. Get the hammer. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all you have. There's some screws here, and I can only imagine be able to unscrew this with this little thing here. There we go. There's colors. Need like 4 colors. 4? Oh wait. Well, I did all yellow. Gives me a question mark. That's nothing. Okay, yeah, yellow does something. There's something for yellow. Can you just speak with the hammer? Kind of like bang this thing a lot. Oh. City Boom. We're gonna make the City Boom with that, but let's see. Oh, hey, look, there's a number up here. I remember seeing that. Like, I was like, looking this way, so the number. I don't know why I didn't comment about it, but hey, that's good. Okay. 3, 1. 311 399 2364. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Oh. Hello? Oh. Hello? Yeah, there's nothing. No, I'll just like... I'll leave it there. Leave it right there. Let's see, we have this thing. So we have numbers. We have this, like... I see a lot of 4-digit numbers. We have like that over there, this... What's this? Not that. I'm guessing that's Morse code. Like a different type of Morse code, I don't know. Come on. Maybe these paper balls will have something to do with it. No, just paper. Yeah, let's clean up a little bit, come on. Let's clean up. Get these paper balls here.
Hey, thanks for picking up all that trash. The station director would fire me on the spot if she saw what a mess this place was.
Oh, you're welcome!
Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, bye. Oh, that was cool! See? That was cool. I like that. Let's see, what's this? Bunch of paper cups. The music's so nice! Aw. This is good. I like this. I like this. Box. I wonder, can I draw on this? Oh, I can. Let me just... Let's get this. Like it's Little Dragon, yeah. Can I erase just wondering? Oh, I can, okay. I probably don't want to do that, I don't know. This all seems pretty important. But I'm not going to be able to do the math because I don't know how to do that. Oh, there wasn't too much. Are these screws? They're screws. Hey. Probably screw these bad boys. Huh? Yeah, I can. Let's see, what's in here? Oh my god, it's a little hamster! Oh! Oh, that stopped working, but... Oh, look how cute! Hi! You have your own little button! Oh, you're so cute! Oh. Oh, hey, look, there's colors! Here, wait. Back in, like... Maybe, like... red. It won't work. I can't. Things working. I got a trash ending. Oh, okay, that's cool. I got an ending without even knowing it. Like I did that a long time ago. Wait. Maybe there's like a this ending, but I didn't get it because I didn't. Here's little hamsters. He runs away. Oh, see, that's different. That's different. What? Is that an ending though? No, okay, it's not. Okay. That has to be important though. That has to be important though. Let's look at these colors. Huh. Seems like the red one always stays on. Yeah, the red one always stays on. Oh no. Let's like get this thing open. Oh, we can open this. With the hammer, we can open it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm trying to get all my tools out, you know? Tools. So like a red, yellow, blue. I heard something. Okay, that did something. I don't know what though. Oh! Was that this? This is different. Okay, so I guess that must have been that. There's like other combinations, right? But like no, red. That's this. Red, yellow, green. No, okay, I don't know. We still have this floppy disk thing. What's this? Teal. Oh, hey, wait. Oh, maybe we can like call them. What happens if we just... Anyway, let's call this number again. 3 1 1. Oh, sorry guys. I had to sneeze. That guy. 399 64. Put that down here. Oh, hey! Okay, pointy thingies. Oh. Okay, well, that's a lot. I'm trying to figure out what's like the logically best move to take. I don't know. It goes there. If I go here. No. Oh, stupid. No, wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Here, let's do that again. Oh, okay, I got it to work eventually. Oh. Okay, so we're back here. Let's choose 0 players. Oh, wait, okay. Okay, wait, I'm sorry, wait. Winner, none. What is this? A strange game. Wouldn't you prefer a new game of chess? Oh, hey, I like chess, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't mind playing chess. Come on. Is that it? Okay, yeah. Hey, take that though. Okay, well, I just said that'd be funny now. I'm gonna go back one more time. We're back at it again. We're gonna go here. You go there. Go here. Go here. I think it's a draw, right? No, dang it! Stupid. Okay. Okay. I got super sidetracked. I was just playing with the stupid ball for like a good 10 minutes straight. And yeah, and I eventually lost. So yeah. I'm pretty sure there's no other endings to that. If there is one, then somebody please tell me because I'm too stupid to figure it out. Do we have our stuff? Oh, let's... There's gotta be some more things we can find with the hammer. Hold on. You heard about that thing? Yeah, we know about you. Yeah. Something else, come on. It's gonna be like... okay, I found something. Screwdriver. Oh, I hit the button. Oh, what's his music? Oh yeah, it is my jam. Oh, brother, what is that? Oh my gosh, you're kind of cute though. Wait. Oh, ew. Yeah. Oh, what? I don't know why you're gonna shoot, but okay. My little panel thingy is not coming to life, okay? No. Ew. Yeah. Nasty, But like, what is this? I guess I was alive. My bad. Just gave him like a free abortion, but... Oh my gosh. Well, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. We found a lot of endings in this video. I think that's where we're gonna end it off, guys. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day or night. Bye!